Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? It's time to celebrate now because all crypto market is wake up and all currencies price very fastly increase now. So what's going on, my friend, and Chainlink today video, and this video especially very important for new holder. So kindly don't skip any second to understand better now. First of all, my friend, as you can see here, this time in last 24 hours, last 7 days, all change occur will be positive now. So I will already, my friends, tell you in my previous videos to please in last 10 days of every month every coin will move upwards, so please don't miss this chance and just and only hold it. So these 10 days, my friend, I hope very important for all holders, so kindly I hope they will make you millionaire. So please don't miss this day, my friends. You can see this time the main thing, my friend, you can see the volume is 66 million, my friend. You can see 665 million, and you can see here, so definitely they will also, my friend, compatible. So therefore I don't see, my friend, any loss, never, nothing, my brother. But that's just an only, my brother, I see the volume now. So and this time absolutely the price come to 16.46 USD dollar. This is just an only last 24-hour update. Now I hope, whether this price will be increasing now in upcoming days, but just an only need your hard work. Absolutely, if you subscribe to YouTube channel and press bell icons, just only you go and sleep now. So thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Hope you understand. Please like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.